Hello everyone, thinking about Verizon 5G Home Plus, this review covers speed, reliability, and pricing to help you decide if it's the right home internet solution for you. Overall, customer satisfaction is high, with many users preferring it over cable for price, simplicity, and perks. Just ensure your address has robust 5G coverage for the best experience. Go to Verizon coverage map page and enter your address to check for 5G availability. 5G Home Plus Verizon Speed Plan 5G Home price with mobile bundle $35 per month. Standalone price $50 per month. Download speed Mbps 85 to 300 in. Upload 10 to 50. Data cap unlimited. Contract none. Equipment fee $0. Price guarantee 3 years. 5G Home Plus plan $55 per month price with mobile bundle. Standalone price $70 per month. Download speed Mbps 300 to 1000, upload speed 50 to 100 in, data cap unlimited, contract none, equipment fee $0, price guarantee 4 year. Speed Verizon 5G Home Plus advertise download speed up to 1000 Mbps and upload speed up to 75 Mbps in select areas. Real world users typically see download speed between 300 to 400 Mbps, with some reporting even higher speed when located very close to a Verizon 5G tower. Upload speeds are generally about 20 to 30 Mbps, which is comparable to cable but lower than fiber. Pricing breakdown: all taxes, equipment, and installation include no hidden fees. Bundling with a Verizon mobile plan saves up to $25 per month. Special perks: 1 year of Netflix and Max with ads, Xbox gaming bundle, and more for 5G Home Plus users. 5G Home Plus Verizon reliability. Most users report stable and fast connection suitable for streaming, gaming, and video calls or multiple devices. No data caps or contract. You get unlimited data with a no throttling or coverage fees. Self installation is easy and all equipment is included in the plan. However, reliability can vary. Some users experience occasional discounts or need to restart the router, especially in areas with weaker 5G signal. Performance may fluctuate during network congestion as home internet traffic is deprioritized compared to Verizon mobile customers. Overall, reliability is strong in well covered areas but can be inconsistent in fringe coverage zone. Is it worth it? Verizon 5G Home Plus is a compelling choice if you want fast, unlimited internet with a no contract, stable pricing, and valuable streaming or gaming perks, especially if you already have Verizon mobile service. It's worth it for homes in strong 5G ultra wideband coverage where you can get speeds revealing cable or even entry level fiber, often at a lower price. If you are in a fringe or congested area or need guaranteed top tier upload speeds for heavy work from home use, fiber may be a better fit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.